Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures, and this video will be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We still remain in positive MACD, but we're heading into negative MACD territory, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. We're resting right along the 50 moving average, this yellow line, at the price of $25.93. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a diverge there, and we're still near overbought levels with the RSI. For the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD and nearing overbought levels with the RSI. We did break a downtrend, so we have that there. And as for support, that will be where we have the 100-day moving average, this orange line, acting as our support at the price of $25.27. As for resistance, that'll be where we encountered resistance in the past that dated back to September 15 at around price of $27.35. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 5.1%, and to test support, that is around 3% to the downside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and what we have here is my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $22.85. And that is this range here, and that coincides with the 9-day moving average, this blue line. My sell target is at $24.59, and my stop loss is at $22.24. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.07, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.48, and my stop loss is at $25.73. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 43% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 4.6%, and a 14% chance to climb between 4.6% to 9.3%. As for downside, we have a 43% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.